Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to just get after it today. So alright, new year, new webcam, new schedule. So this is going to take me a little bit of getting used to, just kind of rearranged everything around here. Had a stationary standalone camera from a long time ago, been using that. Wanted to experiment, see if this could streamline some things. So hope this is working out, and we'll see very soon. But just wanted to let you guys know that going to be changing things up a little bit. Got some things working. Have gotten some very awesome feedback from our community tab, and I'm getting the hang of how to use that. But there are 2 polls, just in case you're not aware, on the community tab on the Python Basics YouTube page. One, just kind of getting me, I was just kind of curious how many videos you think you've watched. And 2, the one that's probably the most important to me, the other one was curiosity. The other one was, how long have you been studying Python? So that gives me an idea of where I need to focus the energy for you, because this is your YouTube channel. It's to save you the pains that I went through, and have been getting some awesome questions. I've been answering a lot of feedback, been gone for I think 3 weeks. Kind of gotten some perspective, gotten some really neat ideas, I think, and we'll be rolling those out. But I just want to say thank you. We are sitting at 1159 on subscribers. That just really blows me away. So thank you for that. Great comments, great feedbacks, lots of sharing on this channel. That's probably the thing that has blown me away the most, is not only are you liking it and spending your time and energy watching it, but you're sharing it with other people. So I just want to tell you thank you. Hopefully lots of awesome videos coming through that'll really help you out, which is the whole goal of this channel, is to save you any pain and have it as a resource for you to come back. But most importantly, the new schedule, since we have a lot of videos out there, don't want to bombard you. You guys are doing all the heavy lifting and watching the videos, so I want to keep this pretty clean and simple. So we're going to do videos Monday through Friday. So we'll have videos 5 days a week. We'll trim it up a little bit, but still stay in our series and go from there, and then answer the requested videos too as well, which is the point of this. So just want to say thank you as always. Hope this year will be as awesome as last, and hopefully even better. And we'll be meeting some new milestones. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests below. Anything you need, that's what we're here for. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.